another edition of the North Georgia Wrestling Lounge. We're glad to have you with us. Of course, my co-host is around here somewhere.
I'm up here, Sammy.
Junior, what are you doing? Trapeze act, huh?
No. It's the technicians around here, Sammy. They're playing a little joke.
They're playing a little joke.
Yeah,
on you.
I was just helping them, helping them focus the lights and everything. And, well, they grabbed me, and, I got a pole up my butt. They stuck me under the ceiling, Sammy. I'm stuck up in the ceiling by the pole up my butt, Sam.
Well, fans, we got a heck of a wrestling show lined up for you this week in spite of Junior's pole.
I'm going to fall and bust my little head.
Hey, if you'd pay all these people that money you borrowed from them around here, they wouldn't be doing that to you.
You got a point, Sammy.
That is a point. That is why, Gene Cantrell's up here today.
Oh, he is?
He brought Sister Mary and Mary and I from M&M's.
My favorite, too.
I hope that you have a few dollars to pay him back, because I think he may be wanting something.
Oh, no. Maybe he's been talking.
Junior, when you borrow the money, baby, you got to pay it back.
I will, Sammy. I will.
Yeah, but you got to pay it back before they die.
Well, right now, all the change is falling out of my pockets.
I see, not a penny. We do have a heck of a wrestling show lined up for you this week. The North Georgia TV champion, Big Bubba, he'll be in action this week. Plus, the North Georgia heavyweight champion defends against a big guy they call Blake, one of the Big Tex or Beulah Ferris's guys in his stable. Skinny Kenny Hardin will be out in the truth segment this week. And fans, we got the main event coming up. I know we've seen it a lot, but we're going to see it one more time. The Harley-Davidson crew as they take on the Nasty Critters as the feud between those four gentlemen continues on. What, Junior?
Samuel,
I feel so sorry for you.
Well, everything is rushing.
I almost can reach you, but I just can't barely reach you, Junior. Just can't barely reach you.
Make
there.
an effort, Sammy.
A lot of things going to be happening in the next couple of months with the North Georgia Wrestling Alliance. Remember, Gainesville, Oakwood Fairgrounds, Sunday, May the 21st. Those tickets are at Village Wash and Dryer, plus they are at Ms. G's Family Restaurant. Luthersville, coming back on the road to Luthersville. The big crowd's been going on. A lot of fun there in Luthersville at the auction barn. Get out there to M&M Flea Market. Get those tickets.
Yeah.
Plus, now you can get them at the Carpet Warehouse, or Warehouse Carpet, right there in Luthersville. And look for us coming to Conyers now. New building up in Conyers. It will be the Rockdale Auction Barn. We'll be there on Sunday, the June the 4th, bell time 2 p.m. Douglasville is the only Friday night show out of the whole doggone month there to National Guard Army Friday night on June the 2nd. We'll be talking more about those places in the next few weeks. Now, if you watch this on Thursday nights, you better get on out there Sunday to Peachtree Peddlers Flea Market for a national TV taping. If you're watching this on Saturday night, you missed it. Junior, you ready to go to...
Yeah, speaking of Saturday night, I was just thinking this must really freak out those folks who come in 2:30 in the morning Saturday.
See you upside down?
Yeah, see me up there. I wonder how many people are flipping over their television.
There's several out there standing on their head now going, why is he upside down?
Which one's upside down, they're saying.
So without further ado right now, let's head to Dilla's Music Park. Our first match, the heavyweight, the TV champion in action, 400-pound Big Bubba. Stay with us.
Yeah, get me down from here, Sam.
Come on, I'll help you.
Sanga, look, and he never wears the belt.
He couldn't if he wanted to.
North Georgia Wrestling Alliance,